R1 and the Yamaha R3. Now this is going to be a special ride. Cheers to my friend Kiran. And I've got a lot of cameras. One on the tail of the Yamaha R1, one on the tail on the Yamaha R3. Kiran has got a chest mount here. I got a couple of cameras on my helmet. Okay, cranked up. Let me rev it up.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. Why do I feel like I linger?
Alright buddy, so it's time that my friend Kiran rides the Yamaha R1 and I ride the Yamaha R3. So let me give him a slight briefing about this motorcycle, because this is something which you always have to do. Whenever our friends ride new motorcycles, we have to brief them. So Kiran, as you know, front brakes are everything. Rear, don't use it. Alright, and just keep the throttle gentle, but apart from that everything is alright. And no ABS, no traction control, only manpower. I mean human control. Yeah? Brakes are fine, absolutely fine. Okay, so ride hard, enjoy. Okay, I'll keep on. Yeah, I'll do. Yeah, you got EBC brakes, right? Even this is one. This also has EBC front. Okay, get on. There is a camera behind. Just be careful. I love this motorcycle. I love the Yamaha R3. And let me give you a briefing about the headlights. Once you crank the motorcycle, then put the headlight on. Okay, crank.
It's off now?
Yeah, it's off now. Yeah, it's in neutral. On. Alright? The beautiful HIDs. Woo! Let me get on to one of my most favorite motorcycles, the Yamaha R3. Alright Kiran. Whoa, check out the rear tire, man. Looks massive. And when I'm getting onto this motorcycle from that motorcycle, it feels like I'm sitting on a bench. I mean, it is all straight, upright. This motorcycle is upright. Now, I want to overtake Kiran. I want to be ahead of him. Enough of being behind him now. Let me get him right away. This is where we generally stop, Sher Punjab, Daba. And when you're on a highway, I prefer stopping at these nice good old dabas rather than stopping at coffee day or something like that. All right. Let me check with Kiran. How was his experience riding the Yamaha R1? Kiran! How was it?
Yeah, it was very
Nice?
Is this okay? Or do we need to move it back?
I guess this is one thing. The side stands are so thin. Buddies, big shit happened. I don't know how. My Yamaha R1, the bike just stopped running. While I was doing about 120, 130 kilometers an hour, the bike just stopped. Now, initially I thought it's a battery issue, but now I feel when I check the battery voltage, it is still showing 12 volts. Well, it's slightly lower, over 12 volts, but now I feel it's fuel. I did not get low fuel warning at all, but the fuel level is low. It's critically low. I don't know how this happened, because generally the low fuel warning shows up, but this time it did not show up. My friend Kiran is ahead of me, and he's coming back now, and a good fellow rider named Rakesh on his Ninja stopped by, but he left now. So my friend Kiran, he's coming back. He's well ahead, so he's coming back with fuel. Let's see what happens. Now this is what happens with motorcycles. When they run, they show you heaven, and when they stop, they show you absolute hell. What a beautiful motorcycle. She was running beautifully, and now she is not running. What do I do? And another friend, Karthik, right? Yeah. Karthik, thanks for stopping by here. You know, this is the biking brotherhood we get. This beautiful Royal Enfield just stopped by, and he has offered help. Check this out, beautiful alloy wheels, nice chrome work, nice windshield. Now the status update is that my friend Kiran, he has bought some fuel. He'll come over and he will pour the fuel into this motorcycle, and let's see. Because see, it's not that I'm such an idiot that I don't fill fuel, but I did not get low fuel warning, and I was thinking I'll fill fuel after a short while. But here, initially I thought it's a battery problem, but I'm getting 12.4 volts here. So you see here, battery voltage indicator 12.4 volts. It means the battery is not so low. It still has some juice. Let's hope for the best. Alright buddy, so we have filled in fuel with this small bottle. 1 liter of fuel has gone inside. Now what I'll be doing is I'll not be cranking the bike using the electric motor, because I want to save battery, and I'll ask help from my friends to push start, and if the bike starts, I'll keep going. I'll not stop. Alright, bike started, I'll stop at the next fuel station and you guys can follow me. Alright, thank you. ఒక్కరు చాలు, కానీ ఇద్దరు చేయండి, పవర్ ఇంకొస్తుంది. Alright, so my friend asked, is one person enough to push start or two? I said, let's try with 2 people. Okay, here we go. Start. God. ఇంకొకసారి ఫస్ట్ గేర్లో ట్రై చేద్దామండి. ఓకే, Thank you, baby. And you are lovely. I truly love you. And I swear I'll keep you fueled up all the time from now. I'll keep you fueled up.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say, eh?
Full time goodbye.